Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chevrolet, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including salary, bonuses, and side hustles. Next, list all your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Include variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Determine your total monthly income by adding all income sources together. Now, calculate your total monthly expenses by summing all fixed and variable costs. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to find your disposable income. Consider allocating a portion of this disposable income for savings and emergencies. Research the cost of owning a Chevrolet, including monthly payments, insurance, and maintenance. Decide on the Chevrolet model that fits your needs and lifestyle. Create a separate budget category for your future Chevrolet expenses. If financing, explore different loan options and interest rates. Include any potential down payment in your budgeting process. Factor in the impact of depreciation on your selected Chevrolet model over time. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in income or expenses. Monitor your spending habits and look for areas to cut back if necessary. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to keep track of your financial progress. Revisit your budget periodically to ensure you are on track with your goals. By following these steps, you can effectively budget for your Chevrolet and manage your finances better. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.